Alright peeps, just had some deliveries. I'm going to do these in two parts really, because this is thingamajig. Said the 17th, it came on 17th, so that's good. So yes. Betron A3 wireless speaker. I don't care. I was gonna try and be with the box, but throw the thing out. I just want to whip my thing out. Don't be rude! Filthy. Ew. I suppose there'll be some thing to figure it out. It's supposed to be fucking Bluetooth though. I don't know. Got these little things, so at some point today I'll sort out this thingamajig. Even if it's powered by thingamajig, I can still, yeah. It's something to figure out. But yeah. A3 wireless speaker. Charging time 2 to 3 hours. Playback time 3 to 5 hours. Yeah. So yeah. I'll keep that anyway. So yeah, it should help. Anyway, see you next video.